my fellow ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you feel like it. I really don't care because I'm an Akatsuki ninja. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Hypland Akatsuki bag. Hold on. I know it's here, right here next to me somewhere. Oh, big old box. There it is. Pick it up. Hey, do my dance. I am so excited to show you guys this. It's so pretty. You guys are going to want to take it, but I'm watching you. Now, it's time to open with handy dandy scissors. Okay, I'm slowly opening on the side, making sure that I'm not scratching the box, because I thought I scratched the box just there, but I want to make sure this box was perfect. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, I'm going to keep this. This is a keepsake. It's actually already on my shelf. So this is the box. It says Hypland, Naruto, Shippuden, and all the copyright stuff. Yes, taking it out the box. Very gentle. And look at that. Beautiful Akatsuki clouds all over the front. Black box. Very nice. Simple, square, thumbs up. Love the packaging. We have a Hypland, what do you call those? The little rubber wristbands that used to be popular back in the day. Have one of those. Hypland worldwide, I think it says. Nice. All right, so now we have the box. And like I said, this is the front. Up close and personal. I didn't have any dents or anything in my box, so shipping was great. Everything looked fine. It was handled with care. On the side, you have the title, Naruto Shippuden, and on the other side, you have Hypland, and it's like that on, you know, each side, opposite corners. So simple enough. Kind of looks like a shoebox, but it's not a shoebox. All right, moment you've been waiting for. In 3, 2, 1. Of course, I counted backwards from what I actually did on the screen, but struggling to open the box. And there it is, guys. In its dust bag. Talk about luxurious. Look at my wave. That was such a freaking anime wave. The way that my eyes closed. Oh my God, that was so funny. Let's talk about this dust bag, honey. It is beautiful. It has Hypland and the logo written across the front of it. I wouldn't say it's like, I don't know, some type of like cotton. I don't know. It's really soft. It's beautiful. And you flip it over. It has a drawstring at the top. And altogether, it just gives a really nice, luxurious feel. Now, I believe the bags are made of vegan leather. So it's not leather, but it's vegan leather. And we like vegan leather. And you still need to protect your vegan leather with a dust bag. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Oh! Open it up. It's beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's getting hot in here. This is the detail. Look at the stitching. It's beautiful. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but what do I need a big old cloud bag for? So here's an up close and personal. The details, you see how the cloud kind of puffs out the way that it's stitched. The handle still has plastic on it. This is the back. You see there's a little pocket in the back, and it also has Hypland and the logo, and it's just perfect. It's so pretty. So here I'm just taking off the plastic, and you can hold it like a little, kind of like a clutch bag. The zipper right here has the Hypland logo on it, which I thought was really dope. And it's nice. It's nice and sturdy, kind of heavy. Not super heavy, but heavy enough. Now turning it around, I'm going to open it up for you at the top. And this is actually a small hole. So whatever, that's what she said. So whatever you put in here, it's not going to be too many things, but it's enough to get your hand and your wrist in there. So here is the strap that was in the bag. You guys saw me pull it out. And it has the hooks on the side. And again, Hypland logo. It's very detailed. And that's what I appreciate, is that they have their logos all over their stuff. You're going to know that this is Hypland. And of course, a little, packet to keep it, fresh, whatever, the vegan leather. So this is what I was talking about. You see how it's kind of small. It kind of looks like shark teeth. And you can fit your wrist in there. So is about as big as the opening is, just in case you kind of want to see what you can put in there. It's basically like a little clutch. I would treat it like a little cool clutch bag, but whatever floats your boat. You know what I'm saying? This is the inside detail. It has a button right there. You can undo that to switch the straps around. And then I'm just going to put on the long strap so you guys can see what that looks like. So right here, I'm just taking the strap and I'm adjusting it to my liking. So I'm just making it, I think, shorter. Or I was just trying to give myself as much of leeway as I could. But I don't know what the heck I'm doing. But I'm adjusting the freaking strap, as you can see. Then I'm going to take those in, go ahead and attach it to the sides like so. Just beautiful. So easy. Oh, yeah, it's double strapped. So I was just making sure I had enough. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it on so you guys can see. So this is how it looks on me. Yes, girl. You can one strap it. This is how I wore it at GalaxyCon. You guys will be seeing that soon. And it kind of looks like a camera bag. But yeah, the bag retails for about $120 US. And I think it's worth it. It comes with a dust bag. It feels luxurious. And it's a nice little, you know what I'm saying, touch. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you give a F. You know what I mean. Shout out to Hypland. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Deuces.